Hi, Vince and Jane here from the SEER team, and we thought we'd take a moment here to introduce you to us, give you a little more understanding about who we are, our backgrounds, and really what makes us the realtors that are going to serve you best, okay?
Yep. So one thing, Vince and I have 15 years combined real estate experience. Also, Vince has associate broker's license too.
That's right, and so when we have many accreditations, we are buyer specialists, we are seller specialists, we are senior specialists for senior residential sales. We are luxury certified. We are negotiation experts. So we have a lot of additional education and training that we put ourselves through in order to make sure that we serve you as best as possible, keeping up with what the current needs are.
Yep, absolutely. So not all realtors have these accreditations, but we find it very important to have these because what Vince mentioned, we want to give good customer service to our clients. We know the market trends. We spend a lot of time understanding what's going on in their industry.
Yeah, and I think as you can see, real estate transactions can sometimes be complex. We're really not trying to scare you, but they have different levels of complexity. And the more you understand about how to deal with those situations, the better you can make the experience for our clients.
Yep, absolutely. And also, 90% of our business is for referrals. So clients that we service, they actually refer their friends and family to us because they love the business and the customer service that we give to them.
So it's imperative that we deliver exceptional customer service to you because that's the way our business is based upon referrals.
Yep.
The other thing I think is important is that with us as a team, as a husband and wife team, you get two realtors for one. So it's not as though you're just dealing with, say, a full-time agent, or maybe you're even dealing with a part-time agent, which they're not going to service you even half the time. You're getting two people with significant experience, in one person. That's great.
Yep. And like I said before, Vince and I spend a lot of time being knowledgeable about the community. We work and sell in all different locations within the tri-state area.
That's right. So Chester County, Delaware County, Montgomery County, Northern Delaware. I have a license for New Jersey. I have a license. We're both licensed in Delaware.
Yep.
I also have reciprocal license in Maryland. So we serve a broad area, and we understand what the marketplace is as people move from region to region and state to state and county to county, depending upon what their lifestyle needs are.
Yep, absolutely. And also, our business is 50% buyers and 50% sellers. So we understand what both parties are, what they're looking for in a real estate transaction. So we're very well in tune on what's going on in the buying and selling community.
At the same time, we have a very broad price groove that we operate in. Whether it's first-time buyers at a lower price point or luxury price buyers or sellers that are going to be in the million plus type price point, we service all of that, those clients, and we service them all equally. You may get different services as far as different features that you may have depending upon what the property needs. But, to us, everybody is $1 million client.
Absolutely. So don't feel intimidated that, maybe we're, very knowledgeable agents that we wouldn't want to take you on as a client, depending on your price point or your circumstances. We love to work with everyone. So if you want more information, go on our website. We have blogs. We also have, informational videos and our contact information. So we'd love to hear from you, and don't hesitate to reach out. Have a great day now.